Now we will review how to assemble a separator Motor Sich. All separators are designed in the same way and, using separator Motor Sich SCM80-18. As an example, I will tell you how to do this. The motor is most important part, so we take it first and set the cone disc. The cone discs are covered with casing. With the help of the wrench included into the separator's assembly, you can break off and clean these discs. Some people call them plates. A frequently asked question is, what if I put the plates together in a wrong way? I can say that it is a priori impossible, as the bowls have small slots, which prevent you from putting them together incorrectly. Using the same wrench, you can adjust the fat concentration of cream. The next thing you have to do is to put the bowl on the motor unit and install the cream and skim milk receiving tanks. In this separator, the cream receiving tank is mounted on the top. Skimmed milk will run out from the skim milk receiving tank. Next, you have to install the floating chamber. Put the float inside it. Put the milk bowl on the top of the construction and supply it with the valve. Now you can pour the milk inside the bowl. As you can see, it is quite easy to assemble a separator. If you have any questions, please leave them under this video and we will be happy to help you.